Yes, Devottam.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you ask before the project you say six house we have to do, but now you are telling 8 house. So what can I do? I do 8 house, yeah, 6 house.
I said 8 house, not 10.
Six. You say now.
Just follow the assignment.
Okay.
Follow the given assignment.
Okay, I do that 8.
Only follow the given assignment. Okay, everything is there. Just follow the assignment. Yes, Sanvi. Everyone do exercise C and D, only 4 questions. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Year 3, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, that is made from acacia tree. Now, my number 10.
Number 10. Dash is made from acacia tree. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm telling you. Now do exercise CD, I'm telling you.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me ask everyone what is their problem. I'm informing you in the class. Yes, Darshit.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Project submitted date.
What?
Project submitted date.
Project submitted date. Check the assignment. Why are you asking me in the class? Check the assignment. Go there and check it. Everything is written over there. You have to visit. You have to go to the assignment section and check the date. It is given there. The date is already mentioned. Go and check. July. 22nd July. And the time is 12:50 p.m. 22nd July. It's mean Thursday. Thursday, within Thursday you have to do. Alvi, where are you, Alvi? Jishamali, do exercise. See? Jishamali, do? Where is your paper? What is your copy? Give the answer of this 4 question along with exercise C. Okay? Ankush will do. And those who have completed, I'll request you to wait for a few time. Let it complete by all. Then we'll discuss the answer. Okay? Albira, Kushal, Anuswa, why your videos are off? Fahim Ahmed, where are you, Fahim? Albira, where is your copy? Don't put your video on. Don't put it off. Fahim Ahmed, what is your copy? I'll remove you from the class. Where is your book? Pranobhi, Albira, Fahim, Kushal, all are keeping their video off. So those who are keeping their video off, it means they are absent in my class. Okay? So those who are keeping their video off, they are absent for today. This is your punishment. Intentionally who are doing this, they are absent for today. So don't request me for attendance in the group. That ma'am, you make me absent. I'm recording the class and those who are keeping their video off, they are absent. Tarshid, are you there in the class? Two few minutes we are having. completed? Okay. So let me tell you the answers. Okay, now check your copy. All of you, stop writing now. Stop writing now. Circle the odd one out. Acha, let me tell you. Oh, that one, what is made from acacia tree. So lots of item we get from this type of tree, like wood, ink, different type of dyes. Okay. So different type of lots of product we get from made from acacia tree. You can also write wood. Wood is made from acacia tree. That we also get. Anything you can write. Circle the odd one out. Dog, cat, lion, fish. Lamia, unmute your device. Tell me, circle the odd one out. Which is odd one in this sentence? Dog, cat, lion, fish.
Fish.
Dog, cat, lion. No need to raise your hand. Dog, cat, lion, fish. Yes, fish is odd because it is water animal. Hen, cow, duck, geese. Hen, cow, duck, geese. Which one? Hen, duck, geese, cow. Because from hen, duck, and geese we get egg. But cow doesn't give us egg. Acha, butter, curd, oil, ghee.
Oil.
Butter, curd, oil, ghee.
Oil.
Oil. Why oil?
Oil.
Because oil is not a
Oil.
milk product.
Milk.
Yes.
Milk product.
Shoes, belt, jacket, tie. Shoes, belt, jacket, tie. Tie. Because tie is not a leather product.
Yes. Yes. It is made of
Sheep,
clothes.
sheep, horse, elephant, ox.
Elephant. Elephant. Sheep. No, ma'am. Sheep, because they are carry load, and sheep don't carry load.
Horse, elephant, ox, they are called beast of burden.
Elephant is a wild animal, na?
No, think from this angle.
Ma'am, number 1, circle the odd and out. Dog, cat, lion, fish. Lion is a wild animal. Circle, because lion, cat, and dog is an animal. Fish is a water animal. But they are also pet, and lion is not a pet. The answer will be lion, na?
1 minute. Dog, cat, lion, fish. Dog,
It is
cat,
lion.
lion. Because lion is a wild animal. Here, cow.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, cow. Then oil.
And ma'am, this
Then
is
oil.
also right because dog, cat, and lion are land animal and fish is a water animal.
From that side, it will be dog, cat, and fish also pet animal. Lion is a water animal. Lion is a wild animal. From this angle also. So, from different perspective, you can choose the answer. No problem. And the last one, sheep. If we think about from beast of burden, then our answer will be sheep. But if we think about this angle that horse, elephant, no, horse and elephant, okay, no, okay. They are called horse, elephant, ox. They are beast of burden. Sheep is not a beast of burden. So in this series, sheep is our odd one. Completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Show me your copy, all of you. Time over. Show me your copy.
EXC.
Show me your copy, all of you. I can see everyone copy. Very good, all of you. Very good, all of you.
Ma'am, I can tell the answer of question number 8.
Okay, better you can tell me, but tell me next day, okay? Next day tell. Okay, very good. Rishi, Pushpa, very good. Ishan, Ankushukil, show me your copy. Aratrika Patro, sit properly. How you are sitting? Keep in mind you are doing an online class. How you are sitting? Ankush,
Copy.
your copy. Obhigyan, Solanki, Aditya, Shaptoshi, Devotra, Rishabh, Tamanna, Tamiya, very good. Pranavi, okay, Aditya, Riaz, very good. Ankon Patro, Anushwa, Fahim Ahmed, Kushal Bhomik, absent in my class because throughout the class they kept their video off. Throughout the class they kept their video off. Anushwa, Fahim and Kushal. Okay, Devi. Very good, Tarshit. Very good, Pushpa.
The different houses. Ma'am, we draw answer.
Yes, Lamia, in the project.
We draw the different houses colors.
Yes, six different color. Very good, Tamanna, Rishabh.